Pwede po guys to check out for basket number natin. Basket number 10. Ating men's 2-in-1 boxer brief po. For only guys, 389 pesos. Okay, basket number 19 daw guys. Ask nyo lang if stretchable po ba yung sahita. Exactly sir. Okay, exactly sir. Stretchable po yung sahita niyang basket number 19 natin. Pwede mo na siya sir check out. Okay? Pwede mo na siya check out for basket number 19 natin, ating men's boxer brief po natin. This one. Mga stock na lang guys. I think, wait lang. Check natin yung available. Maroon na lang guys yung available dyan. Para po kay Hit Me Baby, yan. Hit Me Baby. Available na lang po dyan sa basket number 19. It's the small one. The maroon na lang po. Maroon na lang po guys yung available dyan for basket number 19. Ating men's boxer brief po. Made of comb, cotton material, and elastic na rin po siya. Okay, next one. Basket number 21. For basket number 21 guys, sa mga naghahanap po ng mga boxer natin dyan. Mga boxer shorts. Eto. Boxer shorts po natin guys, this one. Napaganda po nito. This one guys is made of lycra spandex and micro polyester na po siya. Lycra spandex na po siya at micro polyester material with the bench body logo na po siya this one. Okay? At guys, meron siyang botones this one. At yung kanyang waistline stretchable na po guys at the same time. Made of micro polyester material po siya at spandex na siya. For only guys, 239 pesos. Basket number 21 po natin guys. You can check out the po for that one. Kailan po magkakaroon ng black sa basket number 19? Okay, Hit. As of now guys, wala pa po tayong stock ng black sa basket number 19. Pero if you want po, meron tayo this one po, basket number. Okay, basket number. Wait sir, double check ko lang. Basket number. Oh, out of stock na rin po pala sir yung ating black. Available na lang po talaga sir is black po na yung ating ano na lang maroon na lang po. Okay, shoutout po para kay Duardi. Yan, Duardi, shoutout po sa iyo. Welcome po sa ating bench official. Ayan. Next one guys. Okay, next one guys, basket number 22. For basket number 22 guys, this one po yung ating men's 3-in-1 hipster brief. Okay, for men's 3-in-1 hipster brief po natin guys, hanapin ko lang po siya kung may available dito na sample. Okay, as of now guys, parang wala siyang available dito na sample ng ating men's. Ito pala siya guys. This one. Diba? Parang ang layo ng kulay niya guys. Wait lang guys, double check ko lang kung ayun siya. For this one. Okay, for this one guys, basket number 22. For basket number 22 natin guys, this one po yung ating men's 3-in-1 hipster brief po natin. Men's 3-in-1 hipster brief po natin guys with the bench body logo na rin po siya. Details at the back. This one is the large one po natin guys. If your waistline po is 30 to 32, okay, 32 to 33 guys, you go for basket number 22 natin for only 389 pesos na lang po siya. Okay? Oh, Sir Ryle, hello? Sir Ryle, hello po sa'yo. You can good evening po sa'yo, Sir Ryle. Okay? Welcome po sa ating bench official. Yan. Yan na, sabi ni Ronnie. Yan. Ronnie, hello sa'yo. Shoutout po. Kay Sir Ronnie. Yan. Come on guys. Keep on. Check po tayo. Last 10 items sold na lang po tayo. Last 10 items sold na lang po tayo guys. And we will going to review na po yung ating